A man is on trial accused of kidnapping a woman at gunpoint, then robbing and raping her. But he says that's not what happened.
The judge declared a mistrial back in September when jurors were deadlocked. He says the sex was consensual. Mathis's attorney said the woman could not resist his good looks. That was their defense.
Darrious Mathis and his legal team say the sex was consensual, basically because he says he's too good looking for rape. In a trial last September, the jury couldn't reach a verdict. Bossip says this defense makes Mathis sound, quote, guilty as hell. However, the defense strategy is more complicated than just good looks. Time reports the 24-year-old survivor testified that 2 years ago, Mathis forced her to take money out of ATMs and sexually assaulted her. KIRO says the woman tried to give Mathis her car to keep him calm and to keep herself safe. But defense attorneys say no gun could be seen in the surveillance videos. She also voluntarily gave Mathis her phone number, something she says she did out of fear. She then notes she changed her phone number. Mathis, however, says they met while he was selling Vicodin on the street.
He said he was in the parking lot selling pain pills and that the victim was a willing buyer who agreed to ride along. Mathis's attorney also said he never held a gun.
Mathis is facing kidnapping, carjacking, assault, and weapons charges. He's also expected to take the stand later this week. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn. Multiple sources, a broader view.